Ka Wisdom Center kebadan ha Kashnong Umdihar Riboy District kala jam sha Mawmer uba Shiphew na do palas dangya ka da Pastor David Jamir. Kumban syupin kan mau biang sa sisien kani ka center ka di ka way na kishlam ka ba iPad ya ka jinkerman ya kito kisamla ki bala sakma bat jingay na ublay. Kumju ro ki bala yad bakla ha ka jingim jungki. Lengba kani ka shlampat kini ki khun samla ki yo pat ya ka jingim ka bathammai ka bayajan bat ublay. Kumju ro ka jigstat na kabantaban bhapat sa sisien ha ka imlang salang. Ha kani ka singira ke jingdap Shiphew Snem jong kani ka shlam lawan banyale kamen lang da UMLA ka Sning constituency uba Jason S. Maulong ha ka jingyadon rengkat Pastor David Jamir lambat kiway dia.
Trust and obey. I will follow you all the way. In the times of trials, I will pray. In your presence, I will be astray. In your word, I will trust and obey. I will follow you all the way. The Lord is the rock of my salvation. To whom shall I be afraid? He died for me in Calvary. He freed me for eternity. Oh, He died for me in Calvary. He freed me for eternity. Oh, He brought me out from the miry clay and put my feet on the rock to stay. Oh, He brought me out from the miry clay and put my feet on the rock to stay. La 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 I will celebrate, sing unto the Lord. I will sing to Him a new song. I will celebrate, sing unto the Lord. I will sing to Him a new song.
Canada sa Snem te kata na po musim na ban le kano namta gini gi badi wam ka sar ngawan to background swai ani tam puthei mo te mai na kadi ka bam tal angat hunto de Snem to bring up plan nga tena to yo bring to po na sport Canada te ganang sa Canada sport Snem kamsim kam suk te haba wan stage ko Shillong masih ki bon ki struggle gini tiginong li erap ru bon jaga gin kili erap kipun gorom ne kumang tu bure fiban ya slok ne fiban selat ne ngai gitu yang bro kumang ili sa slok so mo sa selat te there should be a way to help them mo kadang kadang no we gerak ngaban erap ki haba bure ngam jelop ni kai singi markam mo te bure budi no wadi kamera te ayo bure ay ta ko wisdom man kuno man ya slok igini perlok te hadirin we kola teka mau ilok na thayu blue lapat na sport long because kamau bru ni go to a place where they celebrate you not tolerate you let's jaga bagi bru ki mo ki subha ipi me tu jaga basu what daw ni lagi te ngawan sini dengan berkat man sedang Umdihar kadang buat les sport like course tengah setelah ini betul dikse entai tu parang nah am sport like course khiat betul bomdi keladi te pai sa ko sedan diong belum mau sendiri menyerap emeru te ngalas nyaman jakan yo ni te haus na madar sport akamang don yo wi khuna te kamri bosuk mon gong ngabu yo ni tengah pengali Shillong tu mare sport world wine shop re apa ya deski ai ngobre upha porlok best friend jama te wan sa ta ni lai singi tengah sa lai singi tu deski ai ngobre te sawan khna ski da kawan saga kisian kemanyarap tenang tu kisatip bun gibril tu mata ai ngobre hespos nam kumba praspa ngot ai la ya lembaga ni ga center te I can say amen te nakashomot ngalaw nang remote gay baik te kiton room ni tang khna ki bhai yang ro ki chef dukam counseling sipo 90% 50% gade ki bhai yang 50% gade khna te ngaira bot mi khpal ngaira bi te ki khna unjo te ki khna lawan adu Mizoram Nagaland Bhutan la yo angu bre Singapore yo boy te boleh na Shillong ni region te mawat ka tawai boleh kumni sumni mogi kolon khamtam na region ni te ngala ba bon gi ngon khpa 9 out of 10 there is no father te kamau kadang biga ka problem ki gang bo Canada ki khna ki ba ki khat naru ki khat la hisu ki khat khnai te hawan ki ni psychiatrist psychologist la le kapala menyerap tangba kimla ka daw boleh ti khat ni Reverend Miller na po Chicago one to observe upay one going the lack of father figures in the home bamdun khpa ye kayi no bamdun tatro bamdun khpa tinga duai ba kini ba don khpa angu break bamdun help what you mentor ubara menyerap iki tinga duai ni sana ru ba finya shong adar ko mo khpa shong ye amen te matam ni dam ipai ni ba bi ba bam ru phinape hani jaga le phinape ngimla kumga rehab center kumong tu khasima ka rehab means bahab sihab te ngai go wisdom center and khot retreat center so whoever comes here feel free ni hanging in deal with ka kya na drugs ni deal with wisdom meeting ga man has been separated from God rajangai no break ha pop la khai tingi la pop ben stong break lan pulai ni te nang ta bre mni dang ni pa ni badi obam lo ni I have adopted some daughters also. There are 3 of them now. We like the beauty parlor. We nursing now, and one of them will be getting married. Come on, Jessie. Give her a hand. She's getting married this second. So if you are free, I'm most welcome to this second. And will be the first wedding in Wisdom Center. I do counseling. Chinese style. She bring elect to. We do awareness program. And I go to key colleges also. They are coming here. Especially the BSW, the Bachelor of Social Work. He went only for a 1-day retreat, and also we had 4 of them from Martin Luther, Snem. They took like that in turn 1 month. They was it 2 years, I think, we had Kiniki Dalits from UP. So we brought them here for 1.5 we did on with the ship. I'm going to bring him to video for YouTube. Pas naman menyalap itu stilo. I'm going to bring. Dari kata report kena sepang wisdom center. It was not easy. Tambah I'm going to bring with his strength and grace and mercy day. Nilai Shiphew mata. And we're looking forward now to many other programs, even with the videos and everything. When I counseling give you. Kajingwan yung ini Gibril sini sport center ham jinjar surok. So that's why I was saying whatever you can in your mo nakaling yung fee yarap lang surok because bon gihapak ika boss hadu po tipo madan gihaga ka kajat pre. So that's not easy. Mo gimonye she orai bag i gari de. We have to love the people first. Tengaro I'll do my best whatever I can in my capacity. Banyarap Gibril igani ga kaptang ni time boy ni. All of us we have to work together. And I'm going to break here, don't partner sangni ki borok ki bala no nyang mo banya rap dan khamtami ni ka hol khamtami ni kisam te sadwai lam ni ro bagi tang ni khmat ni nya saprang man you know I belong you play te ni don ki seminar ro kunjo ki marriage seminar ni sedon ki music seminar te muda ni don ka band ro if you ever need a band to play and ni hinglik to rundo yalap gospel ro kunjo tingi tam ki wedding ni tal ni tami. So if anybody is getting married, you're most welcome to invite us, amen. So thank you very much. Maybe this short, I think you've got whatever you're doing this more. So God bless you.
Barada bili ki kon samla ne bigi rong ba pilangan. Actually ki afwat ki ba wara ike jing susi. Lara hayeng asam kabakta ya kamat na phat junglade khamtam ya kya shnong atha khamtam ko society hi. Ngai ba kani ka sanda lenti ba flaya ta Snem kumalakan pastor kuma praspa ngut ki iba kani ka sanda klalong pa ko job la transform ki life boke te mga nga kung tao nong mi khmat na try kini ki brai na kini ki Snem khamyo man yu jat hangin kalong no bang nga bedon bok ba magangat ba pastor kinu khat na ka post ko pore nga ni mangiyo mangini perkhat ba kumno nakaliang sunga hong tao nong mikmat ninyo manawat kita kalat hindi bakambha masudho kejingdong kam kababon hangnia po center but ngaru within my capacity manawat kita kalat hindi mangandon lang kata ngan ailang kiti mon kadiang kemet bak minsin hangni mga sudho kalaway jong pigi kon samla mga sudho ilade ngaji gi porlok surum senang ru ipangat kum kini nakapos kapor we have you a kran Pimshuday ban siya neglect iki. Maybe some reason kumong movie. What is the core reason ki long kumni? Ki daw ni kran devan ni sulok counseling iki. Yarap iki within whatever capacity. That if you perlok ki bahing masam ngidi man long kumta. Kajing long period man yarap iwi ni iri kata. Ngar kumta nong mi khwat jong ni ka thang family bhai hi. Persang ban le bhag bhatam. Bangai pasa ya kanu ka kam na bibo hi you play akmat pinyo ka jing job. Pinboya jing job. Yo ban kay utaw so batiam so jing job. Mga sutho ilade habang maya kani ka feel. Hani kisnam gabadat mo kani political field jo nga. Ngam jukrat ban bo try kaman. Bang mi ni yeng yadwai. Hayeng asam ni yadwai. Kat sabing ledo nang pelong kanu meeting ni yadwai swa. Nga boy u khmat. Phi ginong badon hang ni. Nagi student ni ki ba one hani counseling. It's not a rehab, huh? It's a counseling, not a rehab. Tinganget ba pinang don kata kajingya tray lang ba ipasa bikini ki baro hangni ba pinang don lang kata commitment ba about change in the society namar the change starts from within yourself ni kata hi ti na balyang jonga namna bon kajingkran hakni ka no paiski asusukumen ba ngayo kajat hangni layo pet banganget banganang wan nak post pasal sa khot sa khot mamjar tingting di sha mo dengan yo konwan yo kajat ni ani yo mani berkat ni kai ko khamba. Thank you so much. Kublay shibon, kublay unang kurkuy pi baro. Thank you.